Have you ever wondered why lavender essential oil is a staple in many households? Let's take a moment to explore the world of this versatile and much-loved oil. Originating from the beautiful lavender plant, this essential oil is more than just a pretty face. Its soothing scent and numerous benefits have made it a favorite among wellness enthusiasts and a common sight in homes across the globe. The lavender plant, with its vibrant purple flowers and heady fragrance, has been cherished for centuries. Native to the Mediterranean region, this plant has been used since ancient times for its medicinal properties. The essential oil extracted from this plant is as rich and potent as its origins, carrying the benefits of the lavender plant in a concentrated form. But the lavender essential oil is not just about its rich history. Its popularity has skyrocketed in recent years due to its wide-ranging applications. From the beauty industry to the wellness sector, lavender essential oil has made a name for itself. In aromatherapy, the oil is celebrated for its calming properties. Its sweet and soothing scent can help to ease stress and promote a sense of relaxation. It's like having a personal spa experience, right in the comfort of your own home. In the realm of skincare and beauty, lavender essential oil is a cherished ingredient. Known for its ability to soothe the skin and promote a healthy glow, it's a common sight in many beauty products and routines. And let's not forget its use in the wellness industry. From aiding sleep to promoting general well-being, lavender essential oil has a variety of health benefits that have been recognized and appreciated around the world. So it's no wonder that lavender essential oil is a household staple. From its delightful fragrance to its wide array of benefits, it's a versatile and valuable addition to any home. Let's dive deeper into why lavender essential oil has gained such a reputation. As we continue our journey, we'll uncover the many benefits of this oil and explore how you can incorporate it into your everyday life. You may be surprised to learn the range of benefits lavender essential oil offers. First, let's talk about the calming properties of lavender essential oil. It's no secret that the scent of lavender has a soothing effect, helping to reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. In fact, it's often used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and induce feelings of calm, making it a popular choice for those seeking a natural way to unwind after a hectic day. But did you know that lavender essential oil is also a superstar in the world of skincare? That's right. Its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties can help soothe and heal skin irritations, making it a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. Plus, it's believed to slow aging with its powerful antioxidants, so it's like a little bottle of youth. Now let's delve into the world of sleep. Are you a restless sleeper or struggle with insomnia? The tranquil aroma of lavender essential oil can help you drift off into a peaceful slumber. A few drops on your pillow or in a diffuser can create a serene atmosphere perfect for a good night's sleep. But wait, there's more. Lavender essential oil also shines in the realm of cleaning and laundry. Its antibacterial properties make it an excellent natural cleaner, helping to keep your home fresh and germ-free. Imagine your clothes smelling of the soft, soothing scent of lavender. It's like bringing a touch of the French countryside right into your laundry room. Lastly, lavender essential oil may also play a role in reducing certain types of pain and discomfort. Some people find that it helps with migraines, earaches, and even menstrual cramps. While it's not a cure-all, it's certainly worth trying if you're looking for a natural pain relief option. It's no wonder lavender essential oil is a favorite among health and wellness enthusiasts. Now that you know the benefits, you may be wondering how to use lavender essential oil. Well, the versatility of this aromatic powerhouse is what makes it so popular. The first and perhaps most common way to use lavender essential oil is by diffusing it for aromatherapy. Using a diffuser, the oil is dispersed in a microfine vapor, allowing it to be suspended in the air for a long period of time. Not only does this method purify the air, but it also lets you inhale the healing properties of lavender, great for relaxation and stress relief. But that's not all. Lavender essential oil also plays a significant role in skincare. Its natural healing and soothing properties make it a perfect addition to your skincare routine. You can add a few drops to your face cream or body lotion. It may help combat acne, reduce redness, and generally improve your skin's appearance. But remember, essential oils are potent. Always dilute them before applying directly to the skin. Another great way to harness the benefits of lavender essential oil is by incorporating it into your bedtime routine. A few drops on your pillow or bed sheets can promote better sleep. Or, for a deeper relaxation experience, consider adding it to a warm bath before bed. The steam combined with the soothing aroma can help calm your mind and prepare your body for a restful night. Now, let's touch on safety precautions. Essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. Always dilute lavender essential oil with a carrier oil before applying to the skin to avoid irritation. And be sure to avoid contact with the eyes. If you're pregnant, nursing, or under a doctor's care, consult your healthcare provider before using essential oils. Remember, a little goes a long way when it comes to essential oils. So start small and explore the various ways lavender essential oil can enhance your health and well-being. Not all lavender essential oils are created equal. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a fundamental truth. When it comes to reaping the full benefits of lavender essential oil, the quality of the oil you choose makes a significant difference. First off, let's talk about the method of extraction. Essential oils are typically obtained through steam distillation, a process that preserves the integrity of the plant's aromatic compounds. However, cheaper, low-quality oils might be extracted using chemical solvents, which can dilute the essential oil's potency and introduce unwanted impurities. So when you're on the hunt for the right lavender essential oil, ensure it's steam distilled. Next, consider the origin of the lavender used in the oil. Lavender plants grown in their native habitats, like the Mediterranean region, tend to produce higher quality oils than those grown elsewhere. This is because the climate, soil, and environmental conditions in these regions are ideal for the lavender plant to thrive and produce the best aromatic compounds. Make sure to check the product label or the brand's website to find out where their lavender is sourced. Finally, the reputation of the brand is key. With so many brands on the market, how can you tell which one truly delivers on its promises? Look for brands that are transparent about their sourcing and extraction processes, provide detailed product information, and have positive customer reviews. Brands that are certified organic or carry quality assurance seals are often a safe bet. Remember, you're not just buying a bottle of oil. You're investing in your well-being. Low-quality oils may be tempting with their lower price tags, but they can lack the potency and purity needed to deliver the full benefits of lavender essential oil. In the end, it's about more than just the scent. It's about the therapeutic properties, the relaxation, the sleep enhancement, and the skin benefits that high-quality lavender essential oil can offer. So, invest in quality to enjoy the full benefits of lavender essential oil. Let's take a moment to review what we've learned about lavender essential oil. In our aromatic journey together, we've discovered the fascinating world of lavender essential oil, a true gem in the realm of natural wellness. We've delved into the myriad benefits this oil has to offer, from soothing the senses to promoting restful sleep and even supporting skin health. It's no wonder that lavender essential oil is a coveted staple in many wellness routines, its versatility and efficacy making it a true all-rounder. We also shed light on the various ways how one can incorporate this fragrant powerhouse into their everyday life. It could be as simple as adding a few drops into your diffuser to create a serene environment or blending it with a carrier oil for a rejuvenating massage. You can also mix it into your skin creams or lotions for an extra boost of skin-loving goodness. The possibilities are as endless as they are exciting. However, not all lavender essential oils are created equal, and we've learned that choosing the right one is crucial. We've emphasized the importance of looking for a pure, therapeutic-grade oil, preferably sourced from a reputable brand, values transparency and quality. It's also wise to check if the oil is derived from Lavandula angustifolia, the species known for its superior therapeutic properties. It's clear that lavender essential oil is more than just a pleasant aroma. It's a natural, powerful tool for wellness, one that can be harnessed in so many ways to enhance our well-being. Remember, the key to reaping the full benefits of lavender essential oil lies in understanding its properties, knowing how to use it properly, and making an informed decision when purchasing. Next time you come across lavender essential oil, you'll be well informed to make the most of its benefits. Thank you for joining us on this aromatic journey. If you enjoyed this video and found helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We have a world of natural wellness and essential oils to explore together. Stay tuned for more informative content like this.